So you know what? It is raining, pouring outside as I'm recording this, and it is like 7:30. Yeah, no, 8:30 in the evening, and I have to say this. Today practically I've done upvas, like as in just I've had only honey and then sabudana with so it has a very cleansing effect. I'm feeling very nice, and I think we should do these fasts. Yeah, they are like brilliant. So that's what I'll just. The important thing is, yeah, probably I should soak sabudana and keep it so that I can eat it. And tomorrow I'm going to pick up my child. It's a Thursday, but I'm going. Sorry, these are random things I like to share with you all because this is my video vlogging. And you know what? Today, thanks to a friend, I downloaded. It's called. It's called Clubhouse. My phone is ringing. I'll answer it and I'll get back to you. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.